In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an email in Framer. This is really useful when you want visitors to quickly contact you just by clicking on a piece of text, like email us or contact support, and having their email app open automatically. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to set this up on any page in your Framer project. First, open your Framer project and go to the page where you want to add the email link. This might be your contact page, your home page, or even a footer that appears across multiple pages. Make sure you're on the correct page in the canvas so that any changes you make affect the right part of your site. Next, click on the text that you want to turn into an email link. This could be an existing word or phrase, like email us, or you can create a new text layer. To create new text, go to the toolbar at the top left of the Framer interface, select the text tool, then click anywhere on the canvas and type your desired label, for example, email us or get in touch. Adjust the font, size, and color so it matches the style of your site. Once your text is in place, select it by clicking directly on it. You should see the text layer highlighted, and in the properties panel on the right, you'll have options related to that text. What we want to do is attach a link to it that opens an email client. In the link or URL field, instead of a normal website address, you're going to paste or type a special email link. The format is mail to, followed by the email address. For example, you would type mail to your email at example.com. This tells the browser that when someone clicks this text, it should open their default mail app with a new message addressed to that email. After pasting the mail to link, double check that there are no spaces and that everything is spelled correctly. Small typos in the email address will break the link or send messages to the wrong place, so it's worth taking a moment to review it. Finally, preview your site in Framer and click on the linked text to test it. Your email application should open with a new draft ready to send. If it works as expected, you're done. You now have a working email link in Framer.